Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 7, The Invention of Vita Wong. In this chapter, Vita Wong is a chemical. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White. Willy Wonka is a scientist in this chapter who discovered Wonka White. Wonka White is a chemical which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong. Wonka White medicine is too strong. Too means very strong. So some people disappeared. Do not seen when people eat this medicine. They disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87. Which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. It means if the age of a person is 87 and if he eat the medicine, he has to wait 87 years before he can come back in the world. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. What is this? We read in this chapter about his invention. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Mr. Wonka began to work and he thought about his plan, find out the new recipe, means instruction for making something. He wanted to make a new recipe that he had to create age to make people oldest. He cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come into the Wonka's mind. First of all, what is the oldest living thing in the world? He asked the question, what lives longer than anything else? A tree. Charlie said, a tree is the oldest living thing in the world. Right, you are Charlie, but what kind of a tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the Kedar. It's a tree called the bristlecone pine. Bristlecone pine tree is the oldest living thing that grows upon the slopes. Slopes means mountain of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find the bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. Bristlecone pine are over 4,000 years old. This is the fact. Charlie asked any dendrochronologist. Dendrochronologist is a person who find out the age of the tree. So that Willy Wonka started his work and he jumped into the great glass elevator and he went all over the world for collecting the special items for the oldest living things. Now here are some points for the oldest living thing. A pint of shep means rust from a 4,000 year old bristlecone pine. Second, he collects the 2 nail clipping from a 168 year old Russian farmer called Petrovich and Georgievich. Third, he collects an egg laid by a 200 year old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. Fourth, he collects the tail of a 51 year old horse in Arabia. Next, the the hair of a face like a cat. 36 year old cat called Crumpets. Next, he collects an old flea. Flea is, you can see, flea a small insect living on the skin of animals for their blood. A small insect. Flea is a small insect which have lived on crumpet for 36 years old. Next, the tale of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalu from Peru. These are the oldest living things that Mr. Willy Wonka collects for the new medicine. Okay, students. Now the second part. All over the world, Mr. Wonka went on all over the world to find out the different trees he tracked means he found down the very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. He collects a hair of an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped on from between its toes. Jam of the toes nail. While it was sleeping, he went down the weasel pig, the bobolink, the scarlock, the polyfrog, the giant means very large, curlicue, the stinging stuck, and venomous means poisoning squirrel who can spit means throw poison right into into your eye from 50 feet away. But there's no time to tell you about them because he was in hurry to invent a new new medicine. So he wanted to say quickly in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing all the oldest living things, and he was testing his inventing room, and he prepared one teeny cup full of oily black liquid. He produced a oily black liquid in inventing room, and he gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. He gave the 4 drops. What did happen after that? It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wriggling. As soon as he gave the 4 drops of 20-year-old Oompa Loompa, he was shriveling and wrinkled the face like an old man, and he trembled like an old man, and his hair started falling, and his teeth started falling out, and suddenly the 20-year-old Oompa Loompa became 75 years old, and in this way Willy Wonka invented a new medicine. Okay, students, now the chapter is completed. You have to underline the difficult words of this chapter, and you have to read this chapter yourself with explanation. Thank you.